Good question. This is a very common interview area. Here's a list of challenges developers face while building Spring Boot microservices, with examples relevant to your backend plus Kafka experience. Challenges in developing Spring Boot microservices. Service communication and integration. Choosing between synchronous REST APIs versus asynchronous messaging, Kafka RabbitMQ. Handling network failures, retries, and timeouts between services. Example, payment service might be down when order service calls it. 2. Data management. Each microservice typically owns its separate database. Handling distributed transactions, no simple ACID across services. Need to implement patterns like Saga, choreography, orchestration, or event sourcing. 3. Configuration management. Maintaining environment-specific configs, dev, QA, prod. Using Spring Cloud Config or Vault for secure centralized configuration. 4. Service discovery. Dynamically locating services in a distributed system. Using Eureka, Consul, or Kubernetes DNS. How to 5. Observability, logs, metrics, tracing. Harder to trace a user request that flows through multiple services. Needs centralized logging, ELK stack, Splunk, and distributed tracing, ZipJager, OpenTelemetry. Metrics with Micrometer plus Prometheus Grafana. 6. Security, securing each microservice with OAuth 2 JWT, avoiding token leaks and ensuring service-to-service authentication. 7. Performance and scalability, handling high traffic, millions of API request events, implementing caching, Redis, Hazelcast, load balancing and horizontal scaling in Kubernetes AWS. 8. Error handling and resilience, implementing circuit breakers, retries, and fallback mechanisms with Resilience4j, avoiding cascading failures when one service is down. 9. Testing. Unit testing is straightforward, but integration testing across multiple microservices is tricky. Requires test containers for Kafka, DB, etc., and contract testing, packed. 10. Deployment and versioning. Managing CI/CD pipelines for multiple services. Handling backward compatibility when deploying new versions. Using blue-green or canary deployments. 11. Eventual consistency. In event-driven microservices, consumers may process events at different times. Need to handle duplicate events, idempotency, and out-of-order messages. In interviews, a strong answer is to mention not just the challenges, but also how you solved them with Spring Boot plus Kafka plus Resilience4j plus Kubernetes plus centralized logging tracing. Do you want me to draft a polished interview-style answer for this question?